All right, Isaac, we are going to talk about our assignment. So here's our game. We're going to have two balls. One is going to be a red ball and one is going to be a green ball. Which one's bigger?
I think it's number one.
Or are they both the same size? Take a look. They're both the same size.
Cool.
Okay, so these balls are the same size and they're just as heavy as each other. They have the same mass. So what do you think is going to happen when we push the red ball into the green ball? What do you think is going to happen to the green ball when we push the red one into it?
Maybe it's going to crash.
Okay. And what do you think is going to happen to the red one?
It's going to crash too.
Okay, so we're going to have two crashes. All right. So you're going to click on that triangle and we're going to see what happens.
Oh, I fought some.
Wow, what happened to the green ball?
It pushed away. How many minutes will it take?
And what happened to the red ball?
It's still staying.
So it stopped. Okay. Okay. And you know what we should do? Let's try it again just to make sure it happens every time. So we're going to hit the restart button. Can you click that one?
Sure.
And we're going to bring everything right back. And then we're going to play it again. Again, these are the same mass. So let's hit play.
Okay. Well, but I don't know what that button.
So the red one stops and the green one keeps going when they're the same size. Okay, let's try this. Now we're going to try it so that the red one is really small. And we're going to make it so that the green one is really big. Okay, so the green one has more mass and it's a lot heavier than the red ball. What do you think is going to happen when we take that red ball and we slam it into the green ball? Do you think the red ball will keep going? Do you think the red ball will stop? Or maybe the red ball will bounce off the green one and go backward? What do you think is going to happen?
I think it's going to go backwards.
You think it's going to go backwards? Okay, hit the triangle and let's see what happens.
Oh, they both go away.
Yeah, that red one bounced off the green one and it went backwards, and the green one went moving forward. And is it moving fast or slow, the green one?
Slow.
Yeah, it seems like it's moving slow. Let's try that again and see if it happens the same way. Hit the restart.
Where is it?
Yep. Cool. So we're going to bring them back. Now let's roll them into each other one more time and see what happens. The red one comes in and which one's moving faster, the red or the green?
The red.
Yeah, and it's moving backwards too. That's very interesting. Let's put our answer down.
Cool.
So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the heavy ball. We're going to make the red one heavy and we're going to make the green one little. So we're going to switch it. So you can do this.
I can?
Yeah, why don't you stand up and we're going to click this guy. Watch what I do with the red one. I'm going to click and I'm going to drag it to make it bigger, bigger, bigger. I'm not letting go of my finger.
Big.
I'm making it big. You want to make it all the way big?
Yeah.
Go all the way.
Oh.
And now we're going to take this and we're going to drag it and we're going to make the green one smaller. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to crash the big red one into the little green one. Remember before when they were the same size? The red one crashed, stopped, and the green one kept going. And when the red one was small, it bounced into the big green one and it went backward. But what do you think is going to happen if we take a big red one and we slam it into a little green one? What do you think is going to happen to the red one? Is it still going to move after the crash?
Yeah.
Do you think the red one will stop or keep moving?
I think it's going to keep moving.
Okay. And what do you think is going to happen to the little one? Do you think that it's going to be stopped or moving afterward?
Moving afterward.
Now, which one do you think is going to be moving the fastest? The big red one or the little green one?
The little green one. Because it's so small.
Okay.
That can go super fast.
I got to state for the record, I have not taught you any of this. Okay. So you're going to hit the green triangle. We're going to see what happens. Whoa! Which one's going faster?
The green one.
And they're both moving.
Frontwards.
They're both going in the forward direction. Yeah, no one went backwards. Let's try it one more time. Let's hit the restart. And you're gonna bring. Oh, you know what we can do here?
What?
We can even make the red one go faster in the beginning, and then we're gonna see what happens. Hit play. Hit the triangle.
Whoa!
Very cool.
Very, very cool.